You take it. You hate it. Why don't you now?
Don't even know which way direction you're going. You don't even know. You don't know where you're going. You know what the saying is? Any road, any road, any road that you miss.
Why don't you now? Hey, some people say I'm crazy. Some people say it's lazy. Some people say, why don't you now? Do your own doing. Why don't you now? No longer can I take everyone given to me. I have my own endeavors. I have my own pain. I have my own. Why don't you now?
You did what you did. I saw it, and I'm giving you all justice.
Why don't you now?
I went to law school.
Why don't you now?
Judge if I want.
Get off the road. Why don't you now? You gonna do what I told you to do. Why don't you now?
Nobody ever said things are gonna be easy. Nobody ever said they're gonna be hard as hell. Nobody ever said they're gonna be unbearable all the time. You know what? Being a learner makes it better. Pizza rolls, not together, but pizza rolls also make it better. Pizza rolls, growing your tone. Look, you have something different to worry about. Not really worry, but be concerned. Not even be concerned. Just ow. Ow, it hurts. That's something. Ow, it hurts. It hurts more than you know. It hurts more than you show. It's what you should do. This is what you're right.
Why don't you now? Can't require them with your ear. It's what you don't let you grow. Why don't you now? Why don't you now? Why don't you now?
What man says, oh, have a beautiful pair of Nikes? No, they're nice. They're clean. They're fire. They're on point. But no, they're not beautiful.